Welcome in Tech Office channel. You can open Excel from Start button. Then, you can find many templates. Choose blank workbook. You can see title bar. Display the name of the application and the current Excel document. And Excel ribbon, which a toolbar containing Excel command, broken down into different topical tabs. And name box, which display the name or reference of the currently selected object or cell. And the formula bar, which displays the formula or value entered into the currently selected cell. And the ribbon tab, which a tab containing Excel commands button for a particular topical area. And the tab group, which a group of commands buttons within a ribbon tab, containing commands focused on the same set of tasks. And the horizontal scroll bar, which used to scroll through the contents of the worksheet in horizontal direction. And row headings organizes cells into numeric rows. And sheet tabs. Click to display individual worksheets. And statue bar. Display message about current Excel operations. Vertical scroll bar. Used to scroll through the contents of the worksheet in a vertical direction. And the worksheet, which a collection of cells is laid out in grid, where each cell contains a single text or numeric entry. Zoom controls. Controls used to increase or decrease the magnification applied to the worksheet. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time on Tech Office.